have Mr. Newton here from Eastleigh Academy. We're doing the very first Esports Pre Apprenticeship in Ohio. I picked 6 students to be in this program, and I'm so impressed. On Monday, we're going to be putting together a tournament, and they're running the whole tournament themselves. So from going from not knowing anything about esports to running a real tournament with 12 students playing is a big deal.
One experience at school that has truly made me feel like I matter and belong is this esports apprenticeship right here. I loved video games my whole life, and now I'm just diving into the deeper side of things, like the business side of things, and I'm just getting a great understanding of it, and it just really feels like I belong here. After this apprenticeship, it honestly feels like a career option that I can actually see myself doing, and I learned a lot of tools to be successful.
Well, I think this esports tournament pre-apprenticeship has been pretty cool. I've got to connect with a bunch of people I wouldn't otherwise. I got the opportunity to do something special.
We're going to Cleveland State today to learn more about the esports program at college, at the Cleveland State program. And I think once they have that experience, then it opens more doors. So if they actually know what that job entails, as opposed to just kind of reading about it, it's a big change in the trajectory of what they're doing.
He's really helping us actually build connections, to actually be successful in the field. Like today, we're going to Cleveland State University to meet with their director of esports there. I feel like it'll be a great career for me, and it's just setting me up for a successful future. And I don't think you get that at most schools.